Nya sian, nya da electric scooty. Mat ikalawe jong yashaka. One shot Quincy Waters damping shulong. Pat kaliang no shaka eight hamunagas. Yakamed jong ukpa bakhoy upop Francis on tep don burom habaslaka jong Saint Mary Major Harum haka arpun rutrik uyayong jarpusan. Unday upo bandingkong haka spasnem bantep shabar ke Saint Peter's Basilica Vatican. Unong aktiin ke Media Commission Shalong Archdiocese, ubabe Darius Shalla, ulapantip mentakasngi, baka balong Catholic Shalong gelapan benar, bakandon gamas, haka arpulai tarik, hadu arpusan tarik hayeng manilai mkra, haka por sanch teng janmir, bat habaro ki parish jongka Archdiocese, katkum ngajing penbet ki parish. Haka singi on tepat kata, haka arpun tarik uyayong, kandon gamas, hayeng manilai mkra, haka por ship hobojimin step, bat habaro ki parish, haka por ship hobojimin step. Kipara banget kila banyesem bentaru lingba ke online media haka sngi mas on tep yukpa bukho upo Francis haka por shibajesh teng no pai sngi.
Kat kum gajing pentip jong Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell haka arpuai tarik uyayong mentau snem haka por kendai sa hunyo melstep jong ke por Rome upa bukho upo Francis ulaklat no haka por nyo laifusan melstep kat kum ke por Rome kabaidai haka por kadway San Minute hakapor India. Ulaklat haka jakasa jung hadomus Sancte Marthe, Vatican City, nakadaw jung gajing pang stroke, but irreversible cardiovascular collapse. Ya gajing klan no jung Pope Francis lapansisha, daw Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell. Mentagasni arpulai tarik April, yong hakapor kandai bajim step jung kapor Rome, lani hakapor kan architeng kapor India. Hadin kejing laniam yakaba and pendap da Reverend Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell and rano yakamet upo Francis nakayeng mani jong kadamos Sancte Marthe syaka yeng mani ba jong Petrus bakhoy kat kumkurukom balaptha nagaritiniam bantap yaw pabukhoy ka ordo exequiarum Romani Pontificis, right of burial for Roman pontiffs. Hadin kejing laniam an sasdang kejing jingo kaddu yakamet badang sa jong pabukhoy. En sedang kejing laniam hakaduan jong confessio u Cardinal Carmelenko un sependep ya kejing laniam but en sebut da kejing le jingo yakamet jong pabukhoy. Kasnitap yok pabukhoy Pope Francis kan long hakasi sajain arpun rutrik hakapor shipo baji mestep jakapor Rome lane shibaji siteng mensni hakapor India endon kamas bakoi hakamadan aba akmat jonggai maniba Petrus bakoi hakaba en sependap ya kejing laniam daw Cardinal Giovanni Battista Re udin jongga kenhun ki Cardinal lengkap pada simbenta jong ki patriarch ki Cardinal ki Archbishop ki Bishop ki kli jonggiri beper but ki pai drumait babun Kar pundruk terik uyong kadairu kasni benengkong jong ki kendai sni kejing yam na kabenta kejing klat no jong pabukhoy upo Francis. Kat kum kejing trang jong Pope Francis en tapi u hakayeng mani ba pakraw jong ke Maria Harum. Ya ki pabukhoy la jutep ha Vatican. Henry hadin lais pa snem tam en tapi u Pope Francis hakayeng mani ba pakraw Rome. Hakajalan yang ba Shillong and kamas bakhoy haka arpulai tarik arpusau tarik but arpusan tarik uyayong hayeng maniba cathedral laitungkra haka por sanchiteng janmit but kumjuru man kasni haki paris jong kejalan yang ba Shillong haka ju kapor but lani haka por ba ki paris kit penbaik kan salong kamas haka snitap yok pa bakhoy Pope Francis haka arpun tarik uyayong and kamas bakhoy hayeng maniba laitungkra hakapor shipo baji step but haki parish hakapor kaju kapor shipo baji step ki para bangai kilaban simbenta lembagi YouTube channel but TV hakamas bakhoy bantab yok pa bakhoy Pope Francis kabanlong Vatican hakapor shibaji sitang mensni haka arpun rutrik uyong arpusan. Announcement made by His Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell on 21st April 2025 at 9:47 a.m. Vatican time. His Holiness Pope Francis passed away at 7:35 a.m. Vatican time which corresponds to 11:05 a.m. Indian time, at his residence at Domus Sanctae Marthae, Vatican City. The cause of death has been declared as stroke, and irreversible cardiovascular collapse. The ceremony of certification of the death of Pope Francis was conducted by His Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell, the Camerlengo of the Holy Roman Church. Today, Wednesday, 23rd April 2025, at 9 a.m. Vatican time corresponds to 12:30 Indian time, after the moment of prayer, presided over by His Reverend Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell, the coffin with the deceased Roman Pontiff Francis will be carried from the chapel of the Domus Sanctae Marthae to the Papal Basilica of St. Peter, in accordance with the provisions of the Ordo Exequiarum Romani Pontificius, number 41 to 65. At the altar of the Confessio, the Cardinal Camerlengo will preside over the liturgy of the Word, at the end of which the visits to the body of the Roman Pontiff will begin. On Saturday, 26 April this year, at 10 a.m., first day of the Novendiali, the traditional 9-day period of mourning and prayer, held following the death of a pope, on the Parvis of St. Peter's Basilica, the funeral mass of the Roman Pontiff Francis will be held in accordance with the provisions of the Ordo Exequiarum Romani Pontificius, number 82 to 109. The funeral liturgy will be presided over by His Reverend Eminence Cardinal Giovanni Battista Re, Dean of the College of Cardinals. As per his will, published on 21st April 2025, Pope Francis will be laid to rest at the Basilica of Saint Mary Major in Rome. He will be the first Pope in over a century to be buried outside the St. Peter's Basilica, Vatican. In the Archdiocese of Shillong, there will be a Requiem Mass on the 23rd, 24th and 25th of April at the Cathedral Church, Laitungkra, at 5:30 p.m. And all the parishes of the Archdiocese, at the time arranged by the different parishes, they will also have the Mass daily. On the day of the funeral of His Holiness Pope Francis, that is on the 26th April 2025, there will be a Requiem Mass at the Cathedral Church, Laitungkra, at 10 a.m. and at all the parishes of the Archdiocese of Shillong at 10 a.m. The faithful can participate through online media in the funeral Mass of His Holiness Pope Francis, which will begin at 1:30 p.m. Indian time. Thank you.